Hey guys, it's Mooregirl and welcome back to my channels. Well, today's video, I just want to show you guys how to sort of restore some things that you have at home, just to revamp some things. One, I'm going to show you how to revamp this just basic doormat. And the second item is my patio table I got from Goodwill for $1. I just want to switch it up from this marble contact paper to something that looks more professional. All right, guys, I just want to show you how you could restore these things in just one day. All right, guys, let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to do is clean off the mat. This mat is old, so it's nothing that's brand new. So I want to clean it off to get any lint or any additional hair. And I'm using this gold pen, and you can find this at Michael's, just to fill in the welcome sign here. And you could do any embellishments as you want. So I started first just doing the welcome alone. Once I finished painting the welcome sign, I figured let me add a little bit more embellishments and just painted a couple more designs on here. You can do as many as you want. I really think it makes the mat pop. Once all the paint has dried, I added some clear gloss from Rust-Oleum. This way it'll protect and seal it. After the clear dries, as you can see here, the mat looks brand new. Now for the next project, I'm going to tile my table. I got the tile from Home Depot, and it's an inexpensive tile. It's mosaic tile, and it only costs $5. I like that it's thin and has small tiles. That way I could easily cut them. Now, before you add any grout or adhesive, make sure your tiles fit perfectly in the space you'll be using it and it is aligned perfectly. I decided not to add adhesive to the tile because I'm using grout. This tile sets in the table, so it's not necessary for me to use an adhesive. Once I put the grout down and add the sealant, it will keep the tiles intact. I'm making sure that I cover the whole entire back of the towel, and that way it'll really adhere itself. Once you complete putting grout on the back of the towel, make sure when you flip it over that you put the grout in between the spaces of the towel. Once you completed that process, the next thing you do is just get a bucket of warm water and a nice thick sponge. You can get these sponges for about $3, also from Home Depot. And just make sure you get all that sand, that excess sand off of the tiles, especially before it hardens, because the longer you wait, the harder is it to get the sand off the tiles once it dries. Now, once everything is completed and dried, now, of course, it made such a mess and put the sand all over the paint, which I had to repaint the table anyway. So I'm going back to my Rare Than Stain and Poly, and I use this on all my furniture. If you get any leakage from the paint or your stain, just make sure you just take a little warm water and a wipe and just wipe it off immediately. Okay, guys, that is it for these projects. Simple one-day projects that can revamp and restore anything that you have in your home. All right, guys, let me know what you think. This is your Mooregirl. I will see you at the next video. And don't forget, like, comment, and share. All right, guys, goodbye. It's your Mooregirl.